All right, rear multifunction entertainment display V8.66 Ultra. That sounds interesting. So it's for the Tesla. It's a back screen, rear screen entertainment system for your passenger this time. Well, it was sent to me by this company for free, so I wanted to let you know, guys, that this is a free product that I received, but as usual, I'm going to do a real thorough review, an honest review of it, and show you how to install it in your Tesla. So there you go, and of course, see how it looks like and everything. Well, let's go right now with the unboxing video to see what's inside this box. Let's go. And here we go, big reveal time. In slow motion, apparently. Up, and I just bought a phone. Anyway, here we go. So we do have here a thank you card. Of course, we have a warranty card and a user manual. Now for the unit itself, here it is. In this blue plastic bag, we do have the connecting harness here with the pry tool. And depending on the model of your car, you have different connecting harness that you can use here and here. And I give you also a USB to USB-C adapter if you need one, so it's included. And now for the main pièce de résistance, ta-da! Here is the device itself. So here it is, closer look at the device itself. We do have the big screen in the front, of course protected by this plastic that I'm going to wait until the last moment to remove, otherwise I may damage it during installation or get tons of fingerprint on it. So that's good to have a protective plastic there, but otherwise look at that. It comes with two USB-C plug. That means my Tesla that has it's a Tesla from 2018 that just have regular USB. Now I'm going to turn those into USB-C, so that's great already. The vents here setting for direction of the AC, of course, and that's pretty much it. Looks slick in the front there. Let's see the back now. So that's the conduit that will direct the air toward the vent here. So that's good. Here are some speaker here, speaker there. And well, that's pretty much it. We have some connector here to connect to the Tesla side, and of course the clip here to clip in place. So it's pretty straightforward, ready to go. The main unit here, along with the connecting harness here, and the pry tool with the adapter. It's like a cap for the connector in the Tesla side. USB-C to USB up adapter, and the user manual. Now it's ready to go, and I'm going to install it in the Tesla in the next step. All right, so here we are, ready to install this system in the car. Nice screen, here it is. But first, the first thing to do, of course, is grab this tool and remove this panel right here. Here we go. So removing the panel is going to be interesting. Of course, they provide the tool to do it right in the box, so that's handy. And now we are going to pry it out. At least we try to pry it out. There we go. And just clip up like so. Okay, down panel remove. Now we have to remove this panel over here. So they say it's easy to do. Let's see if they were right. Removing the panel now. So all you have to do, it's pulling straight like so, this direction. Put your finger here and up, up, and that's it. It has some clip. And of course here you have, I don't know if you can see it, you have a connector right here. This connector, you disconnect it. To remove this connector, here you have a tab to press on the top here, and you just pull it out. Up, like so. And now this piece is completely free. Save it for later if you want. But now we are going to install the new awesome screen right here. Next step, the harness. So that's going to be interesting because we are supposed to pass it from down to up to be able to catch those wire right here where you see this other wire. But because of this big connector here, we have to start from the bottom. So here we go, let's try it. From the bottom here, you have a little opening. If you want to do things correctly, normally you remove this here, protective plastic, and then you have more space to do it, but let's see if it works without removing anything.
1 hour later.
Alright, yeah, it's a little bit more tricky than I thought. On the video, they show you that you can just pass the cable right here, like here, and from the bottom and stuff, but as you can see, there is not too much space here in this area. We don't want to put the cable here. This is the AC vent, and this is where the cable are supposed to pass. So unfortunately, we'll have to remove this bottom cover first and then install this harness right here. So all good. Now let's remove this bottom part. All right, so 2 screws here to remove. Of course, use here a bit T20, torque 20, up. There we go. All right, once the screws are removed, this part there, it's just clip, so just should unclip nicely. Up, like so, and now we have access to the cable. All right, time to connect the harness now. So that's what you get. And we do have these 2 connectors here that's supposed to be connected here. So we get the big one here connected to this, hop, like so. And then the small connector will be connected here. Maybe here, yeah, here. Hop, it goes only one way, so you cannot connect it badly in a reverse order or anything because it only goes one way for both connectors. And then you have to connect the other side of this harness, the white plug, into your white plug here in the bottom, right here. Your plug may be blue, depending on your Tesla model. So some model have a blue plug here, mine is white. So to disconnect this big connector here, very easy, just press this tab right here, and then you pull up this cable out like so. Very easy, careful don't damage the cable doing so, like pulling too hard. It's recommended if you can to grab the connector by the connector instead of pulling the cable, but otherwise it should not give you any issue. Now we are going to connect those up bypass connector, so the female goes to here on the male side, and of course the other side goes up to the female side of the car, up like so. And now that everything is connected, we can already start to have a picture on the screen, so that's great, looks very nice. And all we have to do now is put everything back together. Alright, so everything is put together. It looks very nice, as you can see here, very sleek and fit perfectly with the passenger area of the car. The passenger, my passenger, will be happy now to have this nice improvement in the back. Can watch movie or set up the air conditioning the way they like. And here, as you can see in the screen, we have immediately all the access. And as you can see, the AC is running right now, and everything is controllable here from this panel. So we do have on-off for the AC. We can turn it on and off for the back. Here we can adjust the grid if we want. And here we can access quick setting. Here, either the AC, or we can adjust the seat. If your passenger, for example, have some issue with the leg, here leg space, you can adjust to seat from here as well if needed. And of course, up, you can play music. You can have multiple apps here that you can use, music, video. Why not watch a movie on your screen? Here we go, you can plug a USB key for that. Or there is already preloaded video. Like so, you can watch Netflix, YouTube, local video, TikTok, And here are some more settings for you. So here we go. Nice screen, very up, very useful for your car, for your passenger in your car. At least you don't have all the control as a driver. You still have some control, of course, but now your passenger will be happy watching movie, setting up their AC, etc., etc. So it looks a nice improvement for your Tesla, and I definitely recommend this to you guys. So don't forget, if you need one, if you're interested to the same gadget that I have, the link is, as usual, in the description. Alright, and I was expecting actually, to be honest, the worst with this screen, because usually those kind of accessory could be a little bit flaky, but so far I'm impressed. So kudos for this company for sending me this unit for free, and I hope this review help you guys to know better about this rear passenger screen, which actually looks very nice with my black interior. If you have a white interior, maybe it looks nice too. I don't know, but so far so good. I really enjoy it. I think I'm going to stay there and play a little bit with all those settings to know a little bit more about this screen. Oops, yeah, tons of settings. In any case, thanks again for watching. Hope this video has been useful. And of course, as usual, see you next time. Bye-bye. All right. See, 12 hours, 24 hours, I prefer. Here we go. Well, let's go right now with the unboxing. Well, let's go right now with the unboxing video. Je regarde l'écran. Well, let's go right now with the unboxing video first, of course. Well, let's go right now with the unboxing video to see what's inside this box. Let's go. All right. Now we are going to install this in between. That means the female plug goes here. And it's not working because I have the wrong one. Wait for it. Yeah, I have the wrong one. Give me the wrong one. Look at that. It's not working. That's why they sent me another harness. And this thing looked like a face. All right, next tape. This little, I forgot how it's called. I don't know if you can see it. You have a connector right here. This connector, you disconnect it. Of course, it's not working. Let's see. In my glasses, I cannot see that connector. It's clip or it's press. Don't see if it's a press or a pull or what the hell. Oh, I see. Okay. Now we can